Till previous lecture we have learned how we can use HTML injection even if there is no input field, but in this lecture we are going to use something more, exploit this one, that is cookie injection. So let's click on this, cookie injection and capture data page. And once we click on this page, as you can see, we don't have anything here regarding input field. But what we can do is, let's go to Bub Suite and turn intercept on, and once again reload this website. And now as you can see in the request, we can see we have few options that we can modify, that is this swing get Joto whatever it is, and the PHP SSID. So if we go here, you can see we can modify this and this one. Now what we can use it for, previously we use it to display some malicious code or malicious message that we are trying to convey, but this time we are going to redirect it to other website. So let's open Nano here. Okay, let's open another terminal and type nano, and we are going to use this command. With the help of this command we can now redirect this web page to another web page. So let's go to the Bub Suite, and here just remove this, also remove, so just erase this and paste the cookie value here. And now if we forward it to this website, and now if we turn intercept on, now it will redirect to google.com. What else we can do is, let's go back, and here go back and turn on intercept. Okay, turn off intercept for now. And if we go to this website once again, and now if we go to the intercept and turn it on, reload it, and now if we clear this up, and in the key value we again paste this command, and after pasting this command we can create a delay as well, because in the content we provided 0. So basically whenever it gets refreshed, it will redirect it to the google.com. but if we enter 6-second delay, and now if we forward it and turn off the intercept, and let's wait for 5 seconds till it's get enter, and now it got redirected to google.com. That's how other hackers can use HTML injection for redirecting you to some other websites, to some other malicious website, and that's how we use HTML injection. So this is it for this lecture. I will see you in the next lecture with some other challenges, some other techniques and some other practicals.